Hey everybody, this is D the Dad, and we have
Hurricane Jaxson!
Hurricane Jaxson here today. We're going to be playing with some toys. So we're really liking dinosaurs nowadays. And we really
like Godzilla.
You like Godzilla too? And what else do we like? Do we like Batman?
And we like all the superheroes like Hulk and stuff.
Oh, so we like superheroes too. So we're going to do another skit tonight, and it's going to be Batman in the Batcave, but something different is going to happen. Are you ready?
Yeah!
All right, let's do it. Let's see. Oh man. Oh, I slept so hard. Oh, about to choke. Can't breathe. Oh yeah. Still got my 12 pack though. There's that 9 pack. Oh man, I gotta. Whew. Somebody's broken in my bat cave. Things are missing. What? Oh my gosh. Ah, it's a dinosaur.
Save the Dominus Rex!
Oh, it's an Indominus Rex! Oh, I'm gonna get you! Hey, I'm Batman. I'm gonna kick you! Boom! Yeah! Oh, he's gonna. Oh, I'm down on the ground. Oh, it's another. It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. He's gonna get me. Stepping big. Oh no, he's not gonna get me.
Ooh, that's what it sounds like when he's ugly.
Now he's gonna come over. Oh, he's got twisted ankles. Oh, he fell down. And Donna's tore him up. He's killing him. Oh, his ankle twisted and he fell. Man, Hurricane Jaxson.
What?
It looks like Batman's over there. He's like half chewed up. And he needs some help. Who's going to help him out?
Hulk!
Hulk.
Because he's the strongest.
Here, take the Hulk out. Make him work.
Hulk smash!
Hulk smashed him.
No. He's bad Iron Man. He's bad Iron Man. He's gonna be bad Iron Man.
I'm Iron Man.
Say, I'm bad.
And I'm bad Iron Man. Oh, you're not so bad. Ha, you missed me. I'm gonna. Oh, Iron Man's down and out. Hulk, you're way strong. So, Hulk's gone mad. He's beating everybody up. He's already killed our T-Rexes and our Batman.
You mean the Dominus?
And then Dominus, he already got them all. Spider-Man. I think you're gonna spin a web on him. The web's no match for the Hulk. Oh my goodness.
Ooh,
what am I gonna do?
Rodon.
It's Velociraptor Blue. Wow, he didn't stand a chance. Look. Oh man, he's gonna die.
Oh.
I don't know what to do.
Iron Spider.
Iron Spider. Maybe Iron Spider can help. Going around like Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Yeah. Oh, you got him. He's down. Oh man, he's face down.
Godzilla.
What?
Godzilla.
Do you think Godzilla's around?
Yeah. What's that?
What is that? What's it? What? It's Godzilla! Wait, huh? Godzilla's doing what he does best. Breaking down tall buildings.
Say, I can't kill him. Say, I can't kill him. Say, I can't kill him.
Yeah.
Oh no, what are we gonna do now? He's dead.
He's not dead. You can't kill God. Ah, you stepped on him. Oh.
Now he's dead.
Yeah.
He's
yeah.
dead.
Turn him into a shark. Yeah. No. Great white shark. These jaws he's gonna get you. I'm gonna bite your head. I'm gonna bite his head. I'm gonna bite his head. I'm gonna bite his head. Ah.
Oh no, we're gonna use
Oh, everybody's dead.
the Hulk win.
Whoa. What's happening? Hulk's all by himself and everybody else is dead. T-Rexes are gone.
You mean
Sharks
the
are out.
dog that T-Rex?
Is he gonna claim the Maui hook? Oh yeah. Here, let him hold it. He's holding the Maui hook. Is he gonna turn into a hawk and fly away? Oh! Go! He's flying away, flying away. All right. So the Hulk just kills everybody and flies away, right?
Hulk's coming back.
Oh, he's coming back.
I think he's playing a
He's
game.
playing the game.
He's
Come
playing,
here.
I think he's playing Duck Duck Goose.
Come- Playing Duck Duck Goose with who?
What?
Everybody's done.
Hulk.
Nothing can stop the Hulk. All right. Well, that was pretty cool. Come here.
Let's do another
Come here.
video.
All right.
Let's do another
So
video.
everybody, that was our little playtime with the Bat Cave. This is Dee the Dad, and this is.
Okay, Jaxson.
And then we hope you liked it. If you like it, subscribe to us. If you don't, well, we liked it. Have a nice day.